To work with Microsoft Word, you should have a version of the app installed on your device. If you choose to use Office Online, then you must have a browser, internet connection, and Microsoft account. In any of the cases, to open Microsoft Word, choose any of the following methods we illustrate below. The first method is the simplest and the easiest method you use. It says that you simply click on the Start menu and you look for Microsoft Word and select it. I am using Windows 11. Depending on the Windows you are using, simply click on Microsoft Word. If you see it, if you didn't see it, you can scroll down to look for it. Once you see it, you click on it and wait for Microsoft Word to open, and Microsoft Word will open, and that is it. The second method requires that you use the search button, the search box to search for Microsoft Word using the Start menu. When you have too many things in your Start menu such that you will not be able to see your Microsoft Word, especially when you are using Windows 8 or 8.1 or Windows 10 and you are not able to see Microsoft Word easily, you simply click on the search box and type Word. When you type Word, you notice that you see Word, you also see WordPad, but what you're looking for is Microsoft Word. So you simply click on it and wait for it to open, and that is it. The third method requires you to use the run command. This might prove to be more efficient because you can use it depending on the Windows you are operating with. Here you hold the window logo button and press the R to show the run command, and it will appear. You simply type WinWord. You can also maybe say click on the search and search for run, then you click on it, then the run command box will appear, then you type WinWord and click OK, and the Word simply opens. Very simple. So depending on the Windows you are using, it doesn't matter. You can use any of the three methods to open Microsoft Word with ease. And there you have it. Okay, now if you don't have Microsoft Office installed in your computer system, you can make do with the free version Microsoft offers using the Office Online. But here you must have Microsoft account. That is, you must have a Hotmail, a Live account, and you will always have a browser in your computer. So to start with, you first of all click on your browser, any browser you prefer. Here I have Mozilla, I have Google Chrome. So if you don't have Microsoft accounts, you can simply type hotmail.com and you create a Microsoft account using Microsoft Outlook. You create an account. Now, I am assuming you already have a Microsoft account. Then what you need to do is to simply type in the browser, in the address bar, you type in onedrive.live.com, then you press enter. Now, depending on how fast your internet connection is, you wait for the page to open. Now, when the page opens, okay, I'm using international English here, you will notice that it requires me to sign in. Now, because I have an account, what I do is to click on sign in. So when I click on sign in, I will wait for the page to open. Then I'm going to sign in using my Microsoft account. Okay. Then I will have to enter my username and my password. Okay, my password has already been entered here for me because I already store it in the system. Okay, so when I enter my username and my password, you will wait for it to open. Okay, they require verification. So I will require 1869 a code to be sent. Please, you might not experience all these when you are doing your own. Okay, but I have to do it. But in case you encounter it, it's very simple. Just for security purposes. So I wait for them to send me the code so that I can log in. Okay, I will now enter the code, copy the code and pasted it and click next for verification to continue. Stay signing, I can say yes or no, it doesn't matter. Okay, now my OneDrive opens up. So what I'm going to do is I can click here, new, and choose what document. And I will now begin to work with my Microsoft Online Word. The only problem you have with this is that there are some features you might not have in this free version, but it's cool. You can use it to accomplish quite a lot of things, quite a lot. Most of the things you will be doing, you can use it to accomplish them. Here you have the home, the inserts, and many of them. And that is how you open your Microsoft Word. Let's see you in the next lesson when we talk about the features of Microsoft Word. Thank you. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you love what you're seeing, and share and comment. If you have any questions, you can share it in the comment box. Thank you.